And what is gonna be the last thing? Let's see what we got here. Oh, okay, that's my camera bag. Don't know what to tell you about a camera bag, except it's a camera bag. And yours truly still shoots on his cell phone, okay? I don't have any dedicated DSLR or mirrorless camera, so I'm not sure if I'm like the right person to listen to as far as camera bag goes. But it's the KF concept, okay? Guess it opens that way. Smells good. And on the side, it's got its own door. And I believe your drinks should go on that side. And on this side, hopefully there's a door that allows you to access. Oh, there you go. Okay, so right there you can actually access. If you have like a mirrorless camera, then you can just easily access it without actually having to do it the conventional way. So they handed us this little partition thing inside, just indicating how to place them, and it zips off. Thanks to that little access right there, you won't have to always take it off the strap. You could or drop the bag or whatnot, but that makes it a whole lot easier for people on the go. And what else? Sturdy little zippers, and from on top you could access your stuff as well. Okay, for some lenses, things like that. All I could just say is it reeks of quality, right? It smells good, it feels good, it doesn't feel tacky at all. Got your strap, and then it has a chest strap as well. You can also carry it like a regular bag. And yeah, nice cushioning for your back, and it's breathable. As you can see, it's got some mesh material right there. And there should be like a zipper around this, right? Or doesn't it have a zipper? Oh, there you go. And from the behind, you could access that. Oh, and then you have the partition. Nice material, really. And you could just mess with it and design your own stuff, depending on the kind of camera you're going to be carrying, and drones and filters and lenses. I don't really know how to set it up because I don't have one. Like I said, let me just follow what they have here. Gonna have like a support from down below, from the very bottom. I mean, fellas, you probably know this more than me, okay? I'm just unboxing. Oh, you already get the point, right? Oh. Look at that. That's Circus production. Anyway. For those who know what's up, they know the KF Concept is a renowned company, okay? They make good stuff. So you want to grab some of these? It's a little under $100, right? I'll leave the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Yes.